Why are you a filmmaker?
I'm a filmmaker because I love telling stories, and once I got here, I fell in love with the visual aspect of storytelling through films because it's a medium that everybody can relate to and everybody really connects with very easily.
I think film kind of combines a lot of disciplines from writing, editing, directing, producing. It combines a lot of the artistic with the technical, and I really like that.
We can get you hands-on stuff day one. It's something we pride ourselves on. We don't try to lock a lot of things away behind coursework. If it's day one as a first year and you want to come in and learn some of this and play with it, you can. Talk to me. We come in here, we find something for you to play with, go have fun with it. And that's something that a lot of schools don't offer, is that day one being involved, getting involved, not just with equipment, but with other student productions.
You're able to have that personalized attention. People can throw around ideas, really work one-on-one with film professors. They're there for support, there to sort of explore and flesh out your ideas.
Everybody's making something. There's always something being made, and so you always have this opportunity to be on each other's sets. You see a lot of each other, and you're really in the sort of hardcore trenches of production together. So you get to know everybody and their strengths and what they love to do. You get to know everybody very quickly, and it's like a family.